Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to explore how to use positive affirmations to overcome daily challenges and achieve success. Dealing with work challenges. I am capable of handling any challenge at work. When you face a challenge at work, repeat this affirmation to boost your confidence and ability to overcome difficulties. Tip: before starting your workday, take a few minutes to repeat this affirmation while focusing on past successes. Managing stress and anxiety. I control my emotions and remain calm. Use this affirmation when you feel stressed or anxious. Tip: sit in a quiet place, close your eyes, and focus on deep breathing while repeating this affirmation calmly. Achieving personal goals. I am capable of achieving my personal goals. Repeat this affirmation when you feel discouraged or doubtful about your ability to achieve your goals. Tip: write down your goals in a journal and review them daily while repeating this affirmation to strengthen your belief in your abilities. Building positive relationships. I deserve positive and healthy relationships. Use this affirmation to boost your confidence and your ability to build healthy relationships. Tip: repeating this affirmation before social or professional meetings can help you feel confident and open. Real-life examples. Emily used positive affirmations to overcome work stress and noticed an improvement in her productivity and relationships with colleagues. James, repeating affirmations about emotional control helped him stay calm in stressful situations and improved his interactions with others. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all our latest updates. We're here to support you on your journey to achieving your dreams. Let's use positive affirmations to overcome daily challenges.